So you guys are going to take a look at Neo. This is what it should look like. Today is 8-11 review of exponents. Take a look. Um, First thing you need to do is get the assignment and put into Notability. So you're going to open that. Open into Notability. I already did that. And then open up Edpuzzle. And I know that this isn't the right video, but it should be up because I'm making it. You want to go ahead and play it. And you want to screen share. Okay? So just like this. You guys can start the video.
So today
Now, you're going to have to do today's video with these notes that you're looking at right here. So, first thing we're going to do, we're going to take a look at number, sorry, one second. We're going to look at number 3. So, make sure you put your name on the top. Period 2. Okay. And right here, to receive full credit, make sure you show all your work, okay? So for these first problems, all I want you to do is expand and simplify. So here, we're going to start with number 3. These are the notes that I just gave you the other day, okay? So what we can do is we can look at these numbers, 12 and 6. And we can break up negative 12 and 6. 6 can be broken up to 3 and 2. Or, before, I'm not even going to do that. You know that both negative 12 and 6 can be both divided by 6. Okay? So, I'm just going to do the reducing right there. Negative 2, and then expand m, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 over 1, 1, 2, 3, 4. Create our ones. 1, 2, 3, 4. And we get negative 2m to the 4th over 1. That's our answer. Okay, what we're going to do is also look at number 5. Now, remember what this negative exponent means? I talked about a movie theater, right? And it goes to the other side. So what it's going to do is going to take this x to the 6. Let me erase this. Take a look. This x to the negative 6 is going to go down. Okay? So it's 3x to the 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Times, let's just erase that. Times 2xx over 1. What we can do is we could say 6xx over 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and then create our ones. So we end up with 6 over x to the 4th. Okay. And hopefully you can find our answers below. Negative 2m to the 4th. Here you go. Let's highlight. And the other one was 6 over x to the 4th. Okay? Alright, take a look at number 7. You need to write this in scientific notation. If you don't see a decimal point, remember that it's at the very end. Okay? And I'm going to skip count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Remember that C has to be a number between 1 and 10. So 4.056 times 10 to the 10th power. Okay, this is 3, 6. So that's our answer. Hopefully we can find that at the bottom. There you go. Wow. Next problem. Now, right here it says write in standard notation, which means write it as a regular number. Oops. So, okay, we have this number 4.506 times 10 to the negative 5th. That means that the negative 5th, this number is going to be very small. So we need to take this decimal point and move it over to the left. So 4.506, and we'll move it over 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4. So there's 4 zeros. Our answer is going to be 0. Oh. Go ahead and rewrite it down. We'll leave it at that. Number 13 is the next problem we'll go over. So make sure you do all this first page. Okay. So 4, 0.5. Okay. Number 13, rewrite as scientific notation. You need to remember that this right here is not in scientific notation, so we need to move the decimal point over 1. So 1.52 times 10 to the first, because we moved it over 1, and times 10 to the fifth. We need to combine these two, 1.52 times 10 to the sixth power. Okay. Next, let's find the answer. 1.52 times 10 to the 6. Go ahead and scroll down here. I'm going to go, I just want you to notice that number 22, there's a division sign. It's the same thing as 5.4 times 10 to the 6. You can write it as a fraction, 0.2 times 10 squared, and this is something that you know how to do. Okay, just like the problem below. Okay, so here let's multiply. 4.5 times 6 is 27, and then times 10 to the 8th. Now you need to know that 27 is not in scientific notation, so you need to move that over. Okay, find the answer. The decimal point is here. Okay. Don't forget this. So that's number 19. Number 22, I'm going back. We had notes recently on this. Divide those two numbers, and you should be able to solve for this. Okay. All right, and I want you to give the rest of this a shot. Number 27 is a thinking problem. I want you to read it, okay? And do your best to solve that one. If you can't, just give it a shot. And 28, find the scale factor and center of dilation of Gato. Okay? All right. That's all I have for you today. Good luck.